ऐसा क्या हो गया कि आपको लगा कि अब अपने दोस्त की मारनी ज़रूरी हो गई है? In this edition of Cred Only Fridays, you get to have us, Pussy Gang, write a diss track on your friend.
I need some real dirt.
Yeah.
Is he talking
Yeah.
to minors?
So he's somewhere in the middle of a clown and an outcast.
Okay.
And I don't know why, but Aditya just wants him hurt. I think we should also sort of look into his psyche.
I hope it elevates our relationship and doesn't spoil it.
Hello. So without any further ado,
Yeah.
we'd like to dedicate this song to Mr. Divyansh.
The song is called.
Yeah, let's go, man. Let's have it.
I think as a person, Aditya is a sadist. Welcome to Cred Only Fridays.
In this edition of Cred Only Fridays, you get to have us, Pussy Gang, write a diss track on your friend. The name of the winner is Aditya Katpalia. We're going to sit with Aditya, understand who he wants to diss and why,
Yeah.
write the diss, record it in a studio, and then set up a fake get-together between him and his friends where we go and perform it live.
Yeah.
Total pade, total annihilation.
How shitty of a friend he must be, or like, you know, how shitty must his friend be. Yeah, the sociopathic tendencies, that's all. That's what I want to see.
Hi Aditya,
Hey,
this is Papa.
nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, bhai.
कैसे हो आदित्य भाई?
Hi Arpit.
बढ़िया?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
ऐसा क्या हो गया कि आपको लगा कि अब अपने दोस्त की मारनी ज़रूरी हो गई है?
मेरे को लगा यार कि लाइफ बड़ी मोनोटोनस हो गई है और बड़ी शांति सी फील हो रही थी. मैं सोचा कुछ क्रेजी करते एंड आई गॉट टू नो फ्रॉम हिज वाइफ दैट ही इज इनटू रोस्ट.
अच्छा.
तो मैंने बोला कि एक्सपीरियंस तो कर लो अपनी रोस्ट भी, तो मतलब दूसरों के रोस्ट में तो मज़ा आता है. अपना रोस्ट भी तो. सो हिज नेम इज दिव्यांश राज
Okay.
एंड वी कॉल हिम राजू
Okay.
और वी कॉल हिम पापा 210
Papa?
210.
Papa 210.
Why? Because it was his password
Okay.
of his email.
Papa 210.
हाँ.
Can you describe his appearance for me?
He's a very good boy kind of looking.
Like a
always
chocolatey boy,
combed.
like a,
हाँ,
But like deep inside, how is he? Like
very lost.
very lost?
Very lost.
Very lost.
So I got a brownie from a legal place
Okay.
and gave it to his wife and him.
Yeah.
And they had never consumed it before in their lives.
Okay.
His wife kind of got paranoid like next level.
Yeah.
So they started seeing ants. They felt that someone was trying to get into their house.
Okay.
And they could hear like noises which were not really around them.
And turns out वो अपने ही घर में नहीं थे.
So they became fully paranoid. And then I don't
So
want
I think track का नाम हमारे को ऐसा ही कुछ रखना चाहिए. You know, brownie, you know, brownie.
and
मैं
funny,
सोच रहा था पापा 210.
Papa 210.
So in your friend group, what type of dynamic does he have? Like,
so he's somewhere in the middle of a clown and an outcast,
okay.
So basically you guys bully him.
kind of, but
Yeah.
he doesn't realize it.
Okay.
So
Making
I'm
it very
getting a
hard.
Sort of sweet vibes.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
sweet. I need some real dirt.
Yeah.
Is he talking
Yeah.
to minors?
No. So थोड़ा hard है क्योंकि
Yeah.
the man in the house is actually his wife. He's not the man in the house.
Oh.
She's the one who proposed. to
Okay,
him. Like,
okay.
He didn't propose.
Okay.
Oh my God.
She wears the pants.
हाँ मतलब वो तो मर्द नहीं है ना.
I get it.
She's the one who's taking charge.
I think you're doing damage, ठीक है? You're doing damage
Obviously,
to
yeah,
some
मतलब-
person. You're doing who is not going to be able to take it. I think Aditya is a nice guy, but all of the traits that he told about his friend, and I don't know why, but Aditya just wants him hurt. So I think we should also sort of look into his psyche. Like, what the is wrong with you? कोई ऐसे मतलब first love crushes and everything.
हाँ बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग.
क्या बात है यार.
तो
Good one.
एक फेज आया था उसका 9th-10th में
Yeah.
जहाँ उसको सबसे प्यार हो रहा था. एंड उसने डायरी बनाई जिसमें वो अपने ख्याल लिखता था. और सबसे फनी उस दिन हुआ जब उसके पापा को वो डायरी मिल गई.
Oh.
तो पापा ने बोला बेटा ये कितना प्यार कर रहे हो तुम, मतलब
9th-10th में आते आते
कुछ खतरनाक भी लिखी होंगी
फुल
मतलब अपने आप को
ब्लोन
एक्सप्रेस
कि
किया
मतलब
होगा।
शुरू में इट्स लाइक गजल देन इट्स जस्ट स्लिम शेडी टाइप शिट
मतलब उसको छू के कुछ फील तो कर रहे हो।
I've never seen it like that.
I'm gonna write very bad.
Keep it real.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real.
Lots of flows, lots of rhymes, and
Actually, yeah, we're trying to your friend up, man.
भाई क्या हाल है? सभी सही है।
चलता है इतना वो shizzle by nizzle.
और बता क्या चल रहा है भाई?
क्या सुनाने वाला है आदि आज?
भाई मेरे को कुछ हार्ड सुनने का मन है आदि लाइक आई वांट सम शिट कि मतलब जिसको सुन के मुझे ऐसा लगे कि डैम
चलिए एक बीट है जो मैं आज ही बना रहा था। I'll play it.
We're here to write the diss of
Yeah.
Divyansh, and we're really nervous about it because we're not used to working this way.
Yeah.
We don't know how it's gonna turn out,
yeah
and it's gonna be a fucking challenge for us.
yeah स्क्रैच से चाहिए भाई कुछ
Scratch से।
मतलब स्क्रैच एज अ साउंड लाइक भाई बहुत बढ़िया बीट एक बारी बजाइयो
Hard है भाई.
1 2 3 भाई इसके अंदर खून भरा है मेरा
I think he's done his homework.
yeah
तो यहाँ पे jokes लिख के आया हुआ है.
so yeah I'm trying to be goofy about it
Me, on the other hand, I just
the
world is your carpet.
Yeah, enough
and-
negativity inside Siddharth. He
Yeah.
doesn't need to do any homework on anyone. He's just like, you know, you.
Yeah.
दिव्यांश भाई सोना कभी तुम्हें कवि थे और लिखते लाइनें थे तुम लड़कियों की छवि पे अब गलती मेरी नहीं है दोस्त है आपकी कमी ने लंबी नाक बूढ़ी थूत हंस रहे आप पे सभी थे
I think as a person, Aditya is a sadist, and I think, but I'm excited to see the face of Aditya. I want to, yeah.
I think today is a very special day. So we're going to be roasting a friend through diss track. His name is Divyansh. We've known each other since we were like probably 3-4 years old, so almost like 30 years or so. It's a mixed feeling. There is love, but there is also a feeling that I hope it elevates our relationship and doesn't spoil it. Nobody knows what's happening. I've told everybody it's a surprise party that I'm throwing, but it's sponsored by someone famous. So let's see how that goes.
Thank you. So, thank you everyone. The surprise is specially planned for one person here tonight, Divyansh. Can we have the lights on him, please? Hi Divyansh. How does it feel to be the chosen one here tonight? So, this is a special performance planned by Aditya for you. Give it up for Fuzi Yang, everyone.
That's it.
हेलो कैसे हो दिव्यांश भाई आप
How are you, Mr. Divyansh?
यू नो आपको लग रहा होगा हम यहाँ पे क्या करने आए हैं
ये क्या हो रहा है?
बट एक मिनट दिव्यांश भाई है कौन हाँ तो करो ना ही इज एग्जैक्टली
Like I pictured.
yeah the fuck man but before we start we just want to say one thing जो भी हम करने वाले हैं it's not personal ठीक है
Yeah, it's not personal. We feel like whatever we're about to say, you know, it's the right time to say it. Like all of your friends are here, and you know, we've got a good thing going here.
Yeah.
So without any further ado,
Yeah.
we'd like to dedicate this song to Mr. Divyansh.
the song is called Mr. Papa 210
Yeah,
let's go man
let's have it.
hey थोड़ी और आवाज बढ़ाओ
Check.
Hey, Divyansh bhai. What? Hey. Oh.
भाई सुना कभी तो मैं कवि थे और लिखते लाइनें थे तुम लड़कियों की छवि पे। अब गलती मेरी नहीं है दोस्तें आपके कमीने, लंबी नाक बुरी थूत हंस रहे आप पे सभी थे। हाँ मैंने सुना कभी लड़ते नहीं हो मम्मी से, राजू बेटा जाना चाहता वापस घर ही पे। कंसल्टेंट होके नौकरी करने लगे वहीं पे, बीवी तक सोचे साले रिश्तो ले ले छमिए। देख के लगता आपकी वाइफ तो काफी मीठी है, कुकर से पहले घर पे बजती आपकी सीटी है। चोरू के सामने कच्ची होती आपकी गीली है, बाइक पे पीछे आप आगे मारती व्हीली बीवी है। इसे दारू नहीं पीनी है, ब्राउनीज खा के सोचेगा कि यार घर में चीटी है। प्रपोज कर रही आपकी बीवी है, इज्जत आपकी आज आदित्य ने आपसे छीनी है।
210, the brains of a man, a body of a child, if you go below the belt. Heard a lot of things from Aditya and your wife. Secret might be great, but your company's alive. Run a marathon, Mr. Papa 210, भागो बीवी से, क्योंकि याद आती है माँ की बुला बीवी भी। शायद बनना चाहती माँ और राजा मैन चाइल्ड। बावर्ची से कोडर लिखा इसने I am indecisive, चाहिए उसे बस एक जॉब just to get a new one. LinkedIn पे sales कब से ला रहे influencers, that's so sad for a startup. Mr. Papa 210 husband in law, he got 2 mothers, I don't know how and what. एक a real mom and the other wish she was. Mr. Papa 210 wanna be entrepreneur, he would do it if his mother was a shark tank. Mr. Papa 210 Miss Raj पहने pants. Mr. Papa 210 होते 5 मिनट में ढेर. Mr. Papa 30 seconds बने self harm का face. Failed chef, failed graphic t-shirt business, semi-failed entrepreneur. Welcome to the stage, Mr. Papa 210.
Papa 210 on the stage. Let's give him a huge round of applause, everyone. Man of the hour.
Yes. Damn.
Hello, Mr. Divyansh. I hope you enjoyed whatever we had to say today.
Lovely.
And we were a bit scared that you would come rushing to the stage and you know, हमें आपको बहुत excitement से गले मिलना पड़ेगा ऐसे. But luckily that did not happen.
Yes.
The man's a sport.
एक बारी क्या होता है? नहीं छोड़ो, एक बारी तो होता ही रहेगा. But you know he's really into marathons. He likes running so much, and he runs marathons ऐसे जैसे कि मम्मी के घर पे finish line बनी है. And the first prize is कि I don't have to deal with my sick wife. So I hope you had a good night. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if I touched a nerve.
But I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you take it with a pinch of salt, sugar, whatever. Thank you so much.
चलो.
Chalo.
You know, Aditya has been the mischievous guy since childhood, right? So I know that he would be planning something which is out of the box, right? So when I entered the venue, I was like, why is everybody looking at me? Like, and then when he started out with Papa 210 and all that stuff, which is like too private for me, he actually pinched the right nerve over there. So thanks to you, buddy, and thanks to Cred.
We just roasted the out of the Divyansh.
Were you nervous?
Not at all.
I was actually 5 drinks down, so I was just like, yo, bring it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, what about Divyansh's reaction? You saw him for the first
Yeah, I think he really enjoyed it. His wife really enjoyed it, and that's something that I really like because she's the one who wears the pants.
At least now both of them enjoy something.
We specifically chose this guy because one, we knew that he can take any joke that's thrown at him. Like he's like, huh, you think of him? You think of me this way? Cool. So like, cool. And also because he's
All
one
cool.
of the most inspiring people I know. So thank you so much. But about Aditya, he's
I was one of the privileged people who knew what was going to go down today. We've
Always,
been married,
always.
what,
4 years,
4.5 years
and she has
now.
not been able to roast me
Yeah.
ever. So I think.
I do it on a daily basis, but not in a recorded format. So I would give anything.
also,
all
I
for a
think
fact.
this is the night when their friendship has sort of deepened to another
Yeah.
level because
It's the first time they've
Yeah,
called
yeah,
each other
yeah.
best friends.
After-
Best friends.
yeah,
So thank
after-
you, Craig.
yeah, they don't do that. They don't do that.
Now after
Thank
those
you,
brownies,
buddy.
I think this is
After the brownies.
Thank you so much.
After
Thank
the
you.
brownies. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Cred Only Fridays with Fusi Gang.
Yes, sir.
I think it was a success. You have to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, that's nice.
Signing out.